Y'all are so dramatic. Why are y'all so dramatic? I don't understand. What's going on, you all? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. For those of you who are new here, my name is Erin, aka the Esperanza Maria. And if you're coming over from another video, hey girl, welcome back. Happy to have you here. First of all, my lips are so chapped. Sorry, you guys. I literally just woke up, did all the things. We are rushing out of here. Not rushing, but like we're heading out of here to go catch a train. We're gonna do a little quick trip up to New York. I'm doing a campaign with Moulin Rouge. It's gonna be really cool. This is the first like Broadway campaign that I've done, but I've done something similar to this with another brand, another like type of show situation. So that was, I'm like thinking, what was it? But it was Cirque du Soleil. It is also 7 in the morning on a Sunday. And today is the day that TikTok is no more. We'll discuss the TikTok ban when we get to New York, but they really took TikTok. Okay, well, let's go. Y'all, we just made it to the room. What an adventure. We're staying at the AC Hotel again. This is my usual go-to hotel. If you've seen a lot of my other vlogs, you've already seen the vibes in here, but just so you all can see, this is one of their king suites. It's just, you know, pretty chill vibes, bathroom. They just, I guess, started giving out robes. Definitely never been a thing before, but we'll be using that for when I get ready. And then this is the bathroom. Very standard, very chill. We're just here for a night, so nothing crazy. Went to Los Tacos. You guys saw, so freaking good. I got the carne asada, and Ash always picks at me because I am not like someone who sticks to the same thing all the time. Like sometimes I am, but sometimes I like to switch it up. And you know, I'm just not predictable when it comes to my choices sometimes. So, because I typically get like flour tortillas, but I was like, today I want corn. She always picks at me because she always gets the same thing. Like once she finds something she likes, she sticks to it. But me, like if I find something I like, I'll eat it and then like maybe want to try something different. You know, whatever. So, and then the donut plant was pretty good. Ash gave we got the carrot cake donut, the tres leches donut, and then a creme brulee one. And all were pretty good. The carrot cake one ended up being the fave of the three. So yeah, just like a couple things to kill time until we could check into our room. We got here at 10:45, and it's now 2:03. So yeah, just gonna start getting ready. We have the Broadway show at 7:30, and originally we were gonna go to this one restaurant at 5, but I didn't realize it was on Utica, and Utica is like deep into Brooklyn, and the show is obviously here in Times Square, Broadway area, so it just kind of doesn't make sense. So I think we're just gonna grab maybe a bite somewhere around here, find a little spot to pop in and grab some dinner. And I want to get like a really good across the table photo, so hopefully I can still achieve that even though we're not going to the place in Brooklyn, because yeah. Anyway, I'm going to just take a breather and then we'll get on with getting ready. All right, girl, I am getting my little setup ready to do some makeup. Got my light right here. I just ordered a new light. Typically when I'm like shooting stuff, I will shoot on my big light, my Big Bertha. Okay, there we go. But I just needed something a little bit smaller to take with me places. So I got this light off TikTok shop, and it's cute. It's a little, I'm trying to figure out how to make it more like yellow. It's a little too, oh, there we go. Oh wow, okay. It literally like blinks. How do you make it so that it's more like, oh, there we go. Okay, you have to hold it. Okay, I'm like figuring it out as we go. But I needed to make it just a little bit more, like less, I need to turn it down too. Cool? That's the word I'm looking for. Okay, there we go, yeah. It need to be like so bright. But yeah, about to go ahead and get started with my makeup and transforming. Yeah, while I'm doing my makeup, we could do a little chit chat, but I also think I'm gonna film some of this for Instagram. So, and I forgot my tripod for this piece. This doesn't screw in anywhere. LOL, sorry, I'm just dumping y'all all over the place, but I'm trying to figure out this setup so that I can film. I have so many tech things right now, and I forgot my tripod for this camera naturally, so maybe I'll switch over to filming on this camera, but I need this one for photos low-key, and I didn't bring the charger, but I have a stand for this.
Didn't have a charger for what?
I didn't bring the charger for this one because I thought I was just going to use it for photos.
What type of, is it, you have battery to take photos?
Yeah, I have battery to take photos, but I could also just take photos on my phone and use like the light that I just got.
Oh, it's the one you put the battery in the thing.
Yeah.
That's ghetto. They make a lot of them.
Not as ghetto, but I also don't know if they're gonna let me bring this into the theater. So I'm
I
like,
don't remember if they checked. I mean, we went to metal detectors, I think.
yeah, I don't remember. I'm definitely bringing this camera, but I don't know because this is my big bitch. But I definitely need to get some photos, so she might just have to come, and we just risk it. I love when I use my brain, but I hate when I didn't use my brain initially. I need to hurry this up, but I forgot that you can like adjust the thing so that I can set it down wherever, and then it just, you know what? Okay, here we go. Let's do some makeup. Low-key, I'm probably gonna stop y'all like midway through because the whole tea is I really only have like 30 minutes and I really need this to be charged. I also have my portable charger, so that should be fine. Should be fine. Y'all, when I'm filming these makeup videos, I literally feel like a crazy person because I'm just all over the place. But we gotta make some shit shake, if you know what I mean. I need to open my iPad so that I can see what time it is and keep track of time, because I'm gonna be out here just lollygagging thinking I can just do whatever, and then it's gonna end up being 5:30 and we're gonna be, I'm absolutely being dramatic. It is currently 3:55 p.m. I have plenty of time to do my makeup, but also we have to film and do all these things. Also, y'all, I'm really sorry for this sound they got going on up here in this thing, which is why I'm like I debated even doing this on camera with y'all, but it's okay, right? It's okay. I'm wearing a mock neck tonight, and I really don't want to get any makeup on it, so I'm like not bringing it down into my neck purposely, but I don't want to look crazy, especially not on camera, because on camera be showing all the things that you typically don't see. I probably should have brought a hydrating foundation. I feel like this is just making me look so dry. So make sure this is blended, because when I go to take pictures tonight, baby, I'm not trying to be looking, you know, I'm trying to be looking cute. I need a good picture tonight. So much pressure when I'm filming to do my makeup, because I actually have to look like a halfway decent human while I'm actually filming, and I be looking like a zombie until the whole look comes together most days. What's crazy is I'm not even like when I'm like doing my makeup, I feel like I'm so zen, and I'm not like a hype person. Like even in college when we would be getting ready to go out, I was never like, you know, we'll play some music and stuff, but like I feel so zen when I'm doing my makeup, and sometimes that doesn't always translate well on camera. Like I just look boring, but I'm really just like so zen when I'm doing my makeup. The other day when I did my makeup, I like way overdid it with, I had a little bit of blush blindness, and then as I was watching the video back today, I was like, oh, yeah, that was a little bit too much. So today we got to keep it real cute and real light. I don't want to do too much. All right, I'm gonna put this on charge for a little bit, y'all, and then I'll come back and maybe do my lip with y'all. Okay, guys, naturally, we are now rushing. We filmed a little OOTD. This is the fit. Ash is doing a cute little moment over here too, and it's freezing outside and snowing, so we're gonna have to throw on a nice little coat. Not that it's gonna make too much of a difference with my shoulders all out, but yeah, we're gonna go grab some dinner at Din Tai Fung. Favorite place ever. It better taste as good as it does on the West Coast, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. But we're headed there now, and then we're gonna go to the show. This is actually kind of insane, y'all. Like, what is happening? It is a full snowstorm. You guys, dinner was so good. We just had to sprint into this lift because it is a winter wonderland outside, except it's like a storm. But per usual, Din Tai Fung was so good. And just in case you're wondering about my lip that I did in my last video, as you can see, she survived Din Tai Fung. I hope I don't have anything on my lip right now. I just ate something chocolate, but she survived Din Tai Fung. Probably just need a little like lip gloss refresh, but yeah, my little hack works even through a meal. Whew. Okay, guys, the show is over. We are currently walking on slush now. Walking very slowly because this is gonna definitely turn 100% into like solid ice, and I'm not trying to fall because I'm definitely in heels with no traction. But y'all, the show was actually really good. Like, I really enjoyed myself. I'm a big fan of musicals. Ash is not as much, but She said that the two lead characters, they could really sing, and they were really, really good. I'm out here literally slipping and sliding, y'all. But it was a really good show. Sonically, that was probably the best like production that I've been to. That being said, I've only been to a handful of productions.
You see on the left the big pizza.
Anyway, I need to focus on not slipping and falling and busting my ass. So I will check in with you guys when we make it back to the hotel. Okay, you guys, we made it back to the hotel, and like I was saying, the show was really good. Sonically, it was a really beautiful show. Did lots of covers. Ash is not a huge fan of musicals, so getting her into this was definitely a task, but it was for a campaign, so can't be too mad at it. Can you, babe?
No, the show was nice. I just don't like all the dancing around.
Ash is not a fan of the theater. Y'all know she is a sports girly down. But yeah, really great show. If you're in New York, you should absolutely go see it. 10 out of 10. Truly.
Singing was great.
The singing was great.
The shorty in the thing, she looks familiar. I would never recognize her on the street.
The lead?
Yeah, but she looks familiar.
Oh.
Like, I've seen her.
Maybe look up her name and then.
I will. We still got the playbill?
I don't know. Did you grab it?
You had it when you were taking the picture.
Oh, I put it. I don't know. I don't have it. So no. But anyway, yeah. So we're back in the hotel. Honestly, I was not anticipating a winter storm this weekend. So yeah, like it's not giving out in New York doing the things. Like I was literally playing slip and slide out in the streets just now. Ash had to literally hold on to me the whole time. So it's giving, we finna, chill out. I'm gonna take this makeup off and yeah, we might just call it a night and keep it chill. We literally leave tomorrow. It's a super, super quick trip. So we literally leave tomorrow. Hopefully the train doesn't get delayed, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. But send prayers. Whew. Okay, y'all. We have changed the fit. I'm really sorry about this noise, but it is like, in order to get it to turn off, I would have to turn the light off in the bathroom, which I could do, but then I wouldn't be able to see while I take my makeup off. So, sorry. Anyways, I wanted to pop back on here because I started the video off talking about the TikTok ban and we never circled back. And I realized watching some of my videos back that I do that often. I'll talk about something or like bring up something and my ADHD brain will just like go on to something else and then I'll completely forget to bring it back. So I'm bringing it back while I take this makeup off. And I have gone back to using makeup wipes, y'all. I'm so sorry, but I stopped using them for a while, and especially in moments like this where I'm like, girl, the way that it be going down my arm. Anyway, so today is January 19th. Yesterday, I don't even know what time it was. I want to say like maybe pause, y'all, 2 seconds. Before we talk about that, I just would like the record to show that it is 12:09. So now it's January 20th, but it is 12:09 and my lip is still on. I did pop just a little extra lip gloss on because we ate and all the things, but like I ate, I drank wine, I did all the things and only reapplied gloss. Like I did not reapply any of my lip liner or anything like that. So that hack that I taught y'all in not last video, but the video before that, the makeup tip, to put some setting powder, or like just use lip liner. Like lip liner is that tea. Like just get a bunch of different lip liners and use those and tea. But anyway, Saturday wasn't even Sunday. Saturday, they shut that shit down. And honestly, like, I knew it was gonna happen. Like, I think so many people were in denial about it, or so in denial about the fact that it was actually gonna go through. But I knew it was. Like, I knew that it was going to fully go through. Everything was gonna happen, and that it was just gonna be a ploy. Like, it's just a power play. And that's the part for me that's just like, bro, like, y'all are so dramatic. Why are y'all so dramatic? I don't understand. Like, we fully could have avoided this, and instead they decided, and by they I mean like the TikTok CEO, like, homeboy, while you were going through all those trials, we had your back. We thought you were standing on business, just to find out. Anyway, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. We thought he was standing on business, and then if you were on TikTok or you have TikTok and you open that message and you saw what it said, then you know what's up. Like, they really use it as a power play, which is so frustrating because some people are really gonna fall. Some people are really gonna fall for it. Like, some person is really gonna be like, oh my gosh, he saved TikTok, and use that. And it's like, baby, the whole reason that the ban was even in order, that man signed an executive order wanting to ban the app. Why, do you ask? Because there was too much information, too much truthful information being passed around, and they were like, nope, we need to sprinkle some more lies up in there. Girl, it's honestly just like, it's a joke at this point. But I feel for every person who was actually crashing out. Like, people were fully crashing out over this app being deleted or like being banned, and I feel for everybody because this is people's livelihoods we're talking about. You know what I mean? Like, this is not a joke. And I mean, some people deal with this, like dealing with layoffs. Like, if you woke up and your job was just gone, and here's the tea, because when you have layoff, there's severance pay or there's some sort of like stipend payout. There ain't none of that with this job. There's none of it, okay? There's none. So people are over here kikiing, haha, now you gotta get a real job. Baby, this is a real job. What do you mean? It's just really crazy to me that all of this unfolded the way that it did, with all of the propaganda, and it's only going to continue to get worse. Obviously, we know that, but hey girl, what are you going to do? Please stay vigilant out here, y'all. Like, truthfully, please, because yeah, the amount of like misinformation, especially with Mark Zuckerberg and Meta, like changing the fact checking that they do on Instagram, girl, please, y'all about to have people out here. Never mind, I'm not even gonna say it. But anyway, yeah, please give the girls a break. Like, honestly, all of us are just trying to, like, 2025 started with the world being on fire. Please, let us have it. Like, child. So, but yeah, like, it's just, I feel for all the people who are crashing out over this, because like, that is your livelihood. And I'm not gonna lie, if Instagram shut down, I would also be crashing out. Like, I would have crashed out also, because like, that is where I make my money. I essentially work in marketing. I'm an independent contractor for marketing, and if that were to go away, ain't no severance pay, girl. Ain't no 2-week notice. So I posted something on Instagram and just kind of talked about how this is the time to like really invest in new ventures. I'm gonna use the Tatcha rice wash, but I just like spoke about that on Instagram stories, and just like this is the time to like really invest and find, you know, different avenues for income. And while like I fully, you know, I love being a full-time content creator, I have no plans for that to change. I still, you know, love that doing this job is my main source of income, but just having other avenues and diversifying the different ways that this income is made, 100%. Definitely, you know, would consider doing some sort of product. I don't know what product just yet, but like doing some sort of product, doing something in real estate, just doing something to generate funds that is outside of this. And as someone like me who is used to having multiple jobs, and then once I went full time with social media, that kind of stopped. It's kind of scary because it's like, dang, if this, you know, goes to shit, fuck, I'm gonna do. What am I gonna do? You know what I mean? So it's definitely a wake up call for sure. But I don't know, the whole like vibe of people being happy that people are out of a job, especially like because people monetize on TikTok. It's not just like people are just getting brand deals on TikTok. People monetize their videos on TikTok just like they do on here, and that gets them money. Like, what are we anyway? The lack of empathy that exists in the world right now is mind-boggling to me. Lord. I just did all that washing out and watch this. This is why I started using makeup wipes again, because we have white sheets. Just did all that washing and like still makeup, like, oh my goodness. I just almost ripped out my nose ring. Ow, that hurt. But this is why I went back to using makeup wipes. For this reason right here. But yeah, y'all, it's actually really scary because God forbid something happened like even more drastic than this, just like to an entire and like obviously when things crazy happen, like when the fires happen, everybody's, you know, behind, or like when hurricanes and stuff happen in Florida, everybody's behind everything. But something like people who make a lot of money from being personalities on social media, people just have like crazy vendettas against that, and it's like, sweetie, I don't know. It's very strange, very strange. But today, not even 15 hours later, they brought it back, which I knew was gonna happen. Like, that's the thing, I knew it was gonna happen. So it's no surprise that she's back. Welcome back, girl. Like, here's the thing. Everybody who was crashing out, totally get it, totally valid, 100%. However, I was just like, everybody just remain, like, I'm like, stay as calm as you can. Like, literally, but like, also, I totally get it. Like, this is my Libra moon popping out. But like, I totally get freaking out, 100%. But also, I was like, everybody just remain, like, I promise you, the shit's gonna be back up. Like, it's gonna be back up. And I had a feeling that it was gonna be back up, like, today, like, the next day. So that just is what it is. This is the Youth to the People Superfood Skin Drip Smooth and Glow Serum. Been really just like in my serum bag because for whatever reason, my skin, if I put too many like really thick products on my skin, it just doesn't absorb. Like, it just sits on top of my skin. I have very small pores, which is a great thing for, you know, just bacteria not being able to be in my skin and just like not being acne prone and things like that. But if I let things sit on top of my skin, then I will break out. So as of late, I've just been really taken the time to use more serums than anything else. And this Lancome serum is honestly one of my favorites. It's like a 3-in-1 serum. It's the triple serum. It has HA, SNK peptide, niacinamide, and vitamin F. Don't ask me what vitamin F does. I have no fucking clue, but it makes my skin look great. So yeah, I've just been like really focusing on serums as of late. And that has kind of been keeping my skin from being super clogged, but still very, very hydrated. And also those collagen masks, y'all, are the tea. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to go home and do one. But it's the ones that I talked about, not last video, but the video before that. And then last thing, I just started using this. This is the Ultraceuticals Ultra B Hydrating Serum. And it has triple HA complex, provitamin B5 and B3. And it's just like a really, it's very hyaluronic acid-esque. Like it's clear, it's just very hydrating. And at night, especially, I love using this because my skin needs it. Especially in this winter weather, girl. Like, what is happening? So yeah, I honestly haven't even been going for a moisturizer on these days. But yeah, that's like my nighttime little skincare routine. Very simple. I really don't do too much on a day-to-day. Like now when I'm like really going for it, maybe we need to have a little separate video for that. But I'm gonna, ooh, look at this. I just got stuff all up and down this robe. All these products. Anyway, I'm gonna go sleep anyway. Last thing is this La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Lips. Girl, I don't know. It's hydrating. It's basically just like Aquaphor. It has that like kind of consistency. And it'd be keeping my lips hydrated, so that's that. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the TikTok ban. Honestly, girl, I just need everyone to grow a heart and be empathetic to the fact that people were actually about to lose their jobs and like lots of money. So like that is a touchy subject for anybody. Anyway, I'm gonna fix my hair to actually go to sleep. I'm gonna tuck her in. I'm gonna put my little bonnet on. But I'll see you guys in the morning. We're gonna it's really just gonna be like heading out of here, and hopefully our train won't be delayed because of the snows. Please, Lord Jesus, please don't let us be delayed. And just be able to get out of here on time, get home on time, because I had a debacle with Kayla like a couple months ago. And we got stuck on the Amtrak and ended up having to sit on the floor to get home, girl. It was a mess. I'm not going into it because I'm about to go to bed, but yeah, I'll see y'all in the morning. What's going on, you all? Good morning. It is a not so bright and early 10:45. We're headed to go get some breakfast from Bocaria downstairs. Slept pretty good last night and very much ready to eat some food. Hopefully they let us. It says that breakfast only goes until 11 a.m. So we'll see if they let us still get like brunch slash breakfast stuff. But good morning. Let's see. Made it back to the train station. Very quick trip. I don't know why that man was listening to the speech. Maybe just for information purposes, because he was not white. So I'm who knows, whatever. Anyway, headed back. Hopefully our train doesn't have any other issues. We got a notification that it was going to be delayed, but then they went back on it and said that it wasn't. So we are hopefully going to be leaving on time and encountering no issues. We'll see what happens. We made it on the train, you guys, and we got seats together. Thank goodness, no issues. And a life hack: if you are taking a train from Moynihan, once they make the announcement for which rail it's going to be on, take the elevator down. You'll get down before all the people on the escalator. Just a little life hack. You guys, our train stopped working. Literally, maybe like 40 minutes outside of our stop. It just cut off because it's mechanical issues. You truly cannot make this shit up. Like, best believe we're getting our money back. For sure. But like, no, what? It just stopped. And it's freezing outside, so like maybe that's the thing. But I'm like, why our train? Why our train? It's literally like dead silent in here. Y'all, we finally freaking made it back. It is 5 p.m. We were supposed to be back at like 3:40. This is now the second consecutive time since taking the train. The train is supposed to be like, you know, a step above the bus. It is. It is supposed to be a step. Ash just looked at me crazy. It's supposed to be, you know, a step above the bus. It is supposed to be a little bit more of a semi-luxurious experience. Semi. Not even luxurious, really. Just better than the bus. And takes less time. But the last time, I had to sit on the floor of a train. And this time, the train shut down like 4 times. And once, just before this, it shut down literally. We were just about to pull in. And it shut down. Girl. Anyway. I don't know. Is it giving plane? Because, yeah. That was a lot. I'm glad to be on solid ground. Okay, you all, we made it back home, and thank God, because quite a day. I'm gonna go ahead and dump this footage, here we go, onto the computer so that we can keep the ball rolling with these videos. Let me know down below what else you want to see. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.